How to add YouTube Create filters. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the YouTube Create app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Now here you will first have to create a project, or if you have existing projects, you can open them as well. To add a new project, tap on the plus icon. Then from your gallery, select a video that you want to edit. Tap on the import option. On YouTube Create, you have different tools that you can use to edit your video. If you want to add a filter, you also have the option for that. On the tab at the bottom, you can find the filter option. Tap on that. As you can see, there are different filters that you can use. Simply swipe to explore all the filters. Once you have found the filter that you want to use, you can also change the intensity of that filter. For this, you want to drag the slider left to right, and whenever you find the right intensity, you can tap on the Done option. Or if you are not satisfied with your edit, tap on the Reset option. Then you can start from the beginning. Tap on the Done option once you're happy with your edit. Now you can export your video and upload it on YouTube. For that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on the export option. On this pop-up, you have the option to select your quality. Once you have done that, tap on the export option, and this is how you can add YouTube Create filters. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.